diamonds. I like stunning, I like shining. I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those.
What if that was the thumbnail? What if that was the thumbnail? Ooh, that'd be fuego. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this yellow spring inspired makeup tutorial. In my opinion, it's fairly easy. It's not that difficult to do. If you guys want to learn how to do it yourself, then keep on watching. This is a talk through video, if you couldn't tell from the title already. I also realized, like, people don't read. I work in healthcare and like people just do not read, and I just be like, anyways, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, dang, you already here, might as well. I'm nice, I promise. Me asking you to subscribe was very aggressive. I'm sorry. I take it back. Let me try that again. Hey, since you're here already, I think it would be awesome if you subscribed. I mean, why not? I am genuinely sorry for kind of snapping. It's a little crazy. But that's why you should subscribe, because I'm a little crazy. So I'll find you. I'll find you. I will hunt you down. Okay, and then everyone really will be all up in my business like a Wendy interview. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it, and as always, stay beautiful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Mwah. So I'm gonna do this yellow look. It's gonna be a little bit different from how I did it the first time, because what does your girl do? Upgrade. So I'm gonna start off by taking Mustard. This is out of the Venus 2 palette from Lime Crime. I'm gonna use this as my transition color. So this is gonna go all through the crease with a fluffy blending brush. It's such a pretty color, but you do have to build it up. The lighting is gonna change. I have to figure that out. We're learning. Like, because if I put this up, it blocks part of the light over here, and then this hand is up, and then it changes the lighting, and blah, 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 blah. Whatever. I just want to say, dear future husband, you have a handful with me. You're gonna have fun though, because I'm fun. But just know, I'm a little crazy. Like, crazy. Just blending in my crease. I gotta let the yellow blend. Ooh, I gotta erase on my eyes. They have to clip it. I'm blending the eyeshadow, 'cause I gotta slay for the gram. And I gotta play this color because I love it. Moving on to the lid. So I'm gonna take this Midnight Color Wheel. Y'all already seen it on my channel a million times. I'm gonna take that yellow. It looks kind of disgusting just because, you know, I use this one a lot. You know, it's just well loved, that's all. But I'm gonna take the yellow and place it on the lid. What a girlfriend brush to place it on the lid with. Ooh. So this is a synthetic dual-ended brush from Urban Decay. It comes with any of the naked palettes that you buy. I'm just gonna use the kind of like the fluffier side because it's synthetic, so it's gonna work better with like this like cream. I'm just gonna buff that on the lid. Make sure it's blended. I'm gonna kind of blend as I go. There's one part of my eye, no matter what, it always gets patchy, so I'm gonna stipple the product there. I'm gonna move on to the other lid. I'm gonna blend this out in a moment. I wanna let this kind of dry down a little bit and get kind of tacky. Moving back to the other eye. Just, you know, blend it. Ooh, I was not supposed to do that. Okay. Okay, eyeshadow trying to play me. That's cool. See, we're not friends. Fake. So now I'm going to take this brush again with whatever's left to try to fix this. I'm not going to pick up any more product. I'm just going to blend. Thought you was going to play me, but you played yourself. Ha ha. Okay, next time, stretch before you reach. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the opposite side of the brush. This is a flat brush. I'm gonna pick up Buttercupcake. I'm just gonna pack it on. Just pack it, pack it, pack. Don't worry about blending, just pack. Just build intensity. Because you want to be serving traffic jam realness. Yellow lights. Get it? Okay, maybe not. That was bad, sorry. Just pack it on. Okay, let me blend this out. Excuse my fallout. It don't even matter. So I'm going to take Roach eyeliner from Decay. I'm going to place that in the waterline. Only the waterline, just to give me some definition. So when I do my waterline, I like use my pinky to pop out my waterline. Just like that. You see, it's just like soft definitions, nothing too bold. Because we're going to place yellow underneath it. I'm gonna use my NYX my NYX Vivid Bright Eyeliner. I'm going to take it on the lower lash line and smudge it up with the synthetic brush. I know, I have a terrible French accent. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna take this on the lower lash line, place it, just like that, and then I'm gonna smudge it. Okay, so that didn't work out like I thought it was. I mean, it was just going to be used as a base anyways, but you know, that's fine. So I'm now going to, so now for the fun part. Oh, I can't get open. I'm going to take Trophy Wife now, and this is going to go in the tear duct, because, you know, I am a trophy wife. This is where I was at. So my camera overheated and died. God, kids are back. Your neighbor's kids are back. That means I have to hurry and finish this look. Okay, before it gets loud. That's what they're gonna do. They're gonna get loud. Okay, so back to my trophy wife. Other eye. Spray. This is the race against time. Okay, this is going in the tear duct, guys, as you can see. And then what I did, because I was like, oh, this might be kind of cute. I put up a little bit more, like literally a little bit. It looks like a lot. So I started here, and then I just blended it along on top of the mustard color. And I picked up some more of the mustard color. And then I placed it on top as well to blend it. And I just kind of go back and forth between the two colors. Just like that. You know? So I'm going to put on some liner. Where is it at? I'm just going to take a liquid liner and just do a very thin line. Just because I want it to be almost like an invisible lash band. Like very, very thin. See, it's like you can see it, but it's like, it's very, very thin. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara. I don't know why I grabbed this one. It's not my favorite. This is the Zoom Lash, I think, from MAC. So we yelling. Ooh, you better answer your child. Honestly, you can leave it like this. This cute. I'm gonna let my lashes dry a bit. Boom, bow, bing, one hit a quitter, alright? Oh, just one lash got me feeling like a schnock. Wait. Ooh. Ooh.